Today, we are exploring the world of SMS money making. But before you fire off those messages, we've done the research to ensure it is the real deal. Stick around as we unveil the truth about this potential side hustle. Number 1. The first website where you can now earn money from texting is called textingfactory.com. This platform, which links companies with text message marketing experts, enables companies to develop and distribute text campaigns to their clientele. As you can see from their website, you may now work as a chat operator and make an average of $300 each week. However, I'll show you how to make an additional $800 so that you can continue working as a chat operator. As a text chat operator, you can operate from anywhere in the world and respond to casual communications on a text network based on imagination. To access this website, you must speak English fluently, be at least 18 years old, and have a computer, laptop, or tablet that can connect to the internet. Of course, you also need a stable internet connection. However, the best part is that you don't need any prior experience or qualifications to do this. To get started, simply register on the website. Create a profile, search for work that is accessible, apply for the jobs, finish the jobs, and you will begin earning money. To earn $400 per week with a texting factory, you must locate jobs that pay at least $80 each day. Suppose you land a job at a texting factory where a single SMS campaign earns $100. This is a marketing campaign. You will get paid $100 for the work you do in a single day if you finish the project. You can earn roughly $500 per week if you can locate comparable jobs that pay $100 for an SMS marketing campaign and you complete 5 of those jobs each week. Hence, to make $800 a week with Texting Factory, you must complete 8 jobs, which equates to 1 job every day from Monday through Saturday and 2 jobs on Sunday. Number 2. The next website where you may earn up to $800 a week from anywhere in the world is called textkings.com. You will be paid per message you can send while working as a text chat operator, just by texting in your capacity. Now, to optimize your earnings on textkings.com and earn that $800, you must always remember to deal with clients in an honest, dependable, and professional manner. Developing a solid rapport is essential on this specific website. This one is up. My rock stars. You must prepare yourself for the necessity to be open-minded, not kinky, but open-minded. As this is a company that employs adult chat operators to work from home. They pay their operators a rate per message for texting customers one-on-one. Number 3. If you're serious, you can earn $480, and all you need to do to get started is go to text121chat.com. All you have to do is click to get to the website where you can begin working as a remote operator right away, earning between $10 and $14 per hour. A 40-hour work week will net you roughly $480. Before you begin working, you will need to pass a background check. Number 4. The next website where you can earn money online is called chatoperatorjobs.com. You can text for about 20 cents per message, which means that if you work 40 hours a week, you can make about $480. To sign up, visit their website, fill out the application, and then wait for the test to be finished before you can begin working. Payment will be made via PayPal bank transfers, or you can choose to receive a check if you prefer. Number 5. The next website on our list of places where you can earn money texting online is called workingsolutions.com. This website offers a variety of work-from-home jobs, including email support roles and texting, of course, and chat jobs that you can complete from the comforts of your home. Instead of paying their contractors on an hourly basis, Working Solutions pays them per minute or call, thus in essence, rock stars. This means that your earnings are largely determined by the number of hours you choose to work. The pay rate normally varies from approximately 20 to 30 cents per minute, which equates to $12 to $18 per hour, depending on the volume of calls, chats, or other activities you engage in to make this money. Number 6. The next website where you may work from the comforts of your home and earn money online by offering chat support services to a variety of clients. Now, Needle will pay you via PayPal or a check. To sign up, simply visit their website and fill out the application. You will also need to pass a short test before you can begin working, which could pay anywhere from $400 to $800 per week, depending on how much time you want to devote to this side gig. We are coming to the end of another video. And that is all. See you in my next video.